Hello everyone. Today I'm before you to share a glad news. After a long wait, Federal Bank has released its notification for the post of Junior Officer Scale 1. So without any delay, let's discuss the major highlights of this notification. So here is the notification of Federal Bank Officer Scale 1. You can see here that you can apply for this post in between 10th of May 2022 to 23rd of May 2022. You can apply through the official website of Federal Bank, which is given in the notification. If you get selected, you will have a probation period of 2 years, failing which you have to pay an amount of 50,000 to the bank. Moving to the education qualification, you can see here that the bank demands a minimum qualification, which is post-graduation with a minimum of 60% marks. And the age eligibility is that you shall not exceed 27 years of age. For SC category students, you shall not exceed 32 years of age. You have examination centers all over India and there is no application fees for this recruitment process. While looking through the selection rounds, you can see that as a 3-tier selection process. First of all, you will have a written examination. Secondly, you will have an interview. And the third round is that you will have a group discussion. So, don't wait. Start applying from today itself. Start preparing from today itself. We are here with you. We are providing the best online as well as offline classes at IBS. The link for different courses is provided in the description. So, have a great day. Thank you.